So, good day, sir. We are the Group 9 and our problem is Problem 6. Slay Company lent $3,500,000 to one of its customers on January 1, 2023. The customer signed a non-interest-bearing promissory note for the same amount that will mature on December 31, 2026. The face amount is payable in 4 equal installments at the end of each year, starting on December 31, 2023. The relevant market rate is 8%. So I use the ordinary annuity formula. So 1 minus 1 plus 0.8, then term is 4 divided by 0.8. So I get the nakuha ang 3.312127. And then, ang 875,000 is gikuha na ko siya sa 3.5 million divided by 4, which is 875. So, gitimes na ko siya, nakakuha na ko ang initial fair value niya na 2,898,111. So, less the initial face amount of promissory note, which is 3.5 million. Then you'll get the discount on notes receivable, 601,889. So this is the amortization table right here. So first record ang date on January 1. On January 1, 2023, we have 2,898,000, which is gikuha na to diri sa iyang gikan sa ordinary annuity nga formula, percent value niya. And then, so during sa December 31, 2023, 875. So nakuha na to ng 231,849 kay sa percent value times 8% nga interest income, you'll get 231,849 minus 875, you'll get 643,151. So, and then 2,898,111 minus 643,151, you'll get 2,254,960. So, gina-continue gyapon nato ang process. Like for example, 2,254,960 times 8%, makuha nimo ang 180,396. I-minus na po nimo sa 875,000, makakuha na po ka og 694,603. Tapos, i-minus na po nimo ang 2,254,960 sa amortization nga 694,603, you'll get 1,560,356. So, mao na siya until ma-zero na dayon siya diri. So, sa account balances, of course, first we have ang atong notes receivable is 3,500,000. Minus na nato og 875,000, you'll get 2,625,000. I-minus na po nato og 875,000, then 1,750,000, and then minus na po sa 875,000, you'll get 875,000. So, ang unearned finance income is ano siya, discount on notes receivable ni siya. Discount on notes receivable. Discount on notes receivable. So, nakuha na ko ni siya, di ba mo ni siya, na siya diri sa taas, mo ni siya ang imong ang total sa nakuha. So, 601,889 minus ang interest income na 231,849, you'll get 370,040. That's 370,040 minus 180,396, makuha ka og 189,644. So, until mahuman, ginaka na gyapon na siya. 189,644 minus 124 829, you'll get 64,815. So, mo na siya, ginahim or gapan siya og until ma-zero siya. So, the first entry on January 1, mag-record ta og notes receivable 3.5 million. Discount on notes receivable 601,889. Cash 2,898,111. That's December 31, 2023. We received the first payment. We received cash 875,000 and credit notes receivable 875,000. And then we have interest for the first payment. We receive interest income for the first payment. So discount on notes receivable 370,040. Then interest income is 370,040. Then on December 31, 2024, the second payment, receive cash 875,000 and notes receivable 875,000. And then we receive on the second payment, receive also interest income, discount on notes receivable 109,664, interest income, credit interest income 189,664. So even though this is in all interest bearing problems, but like naana sa siyang nana mismo sa sulod bitaw niya ang like naanadaan like sa ang sa nanadaan included nila sa 3.5 million ang iyahang interest income. So yeah, thank you sir. That's all.